Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the DHgate app. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the DHgate and you will click here in this page. In this window of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.